और तमिलनाडु विधानसभा चुनाव में करीब एक महीने का समय रह गया है और राहुल गांधी अभी भी अपने चुनावी रैलियों के दौरान डीएमके पर चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं। अपने तमिलनाडु के दूसरे दौरे के आखिरी दिन राहुल आज कन्याकुमारी में होंगे। अपनी रैलियों के दौरान कांग्रेस सांसद ने एआईएडीएमके पर तो निशाना साधा, लेकिन अभी तक उन्होंने डीएमके के लिए कोई भी चुनावी कैंपेन नहीं किया। हम जो तस्वीरें आपको अभी टीवी स्क्रीन पर दिखा रहे हैं वो राहुल गांधी की तस्वीरें हैं जो कि कन्याकुमारी से आ रही हैं। आज चुनावी प्रचार करने के लिए कन्याकुमारी में मौजूद है राहुल गांधी। और जैसा कि हम अपने दर्शकों को बता रहे थे कि अभी तक उन्होंने कांग्रेस के लिए तो काफी प्रचार किया है, एआईएडीएमके पर भी काफी वार किया है, लेकिन डीएमके के लिए अभी तक फिलहाल कोई भी चुनावी कैंपेन नहीं किया है। आपको याद दिला दे, तमिलनाडु में कांग्रेस और डीएमके साथ मिलकर चुनाव लड़ने वाले हैं। सूत्रों ने मिरर नाउ को बताया है कि कांग्रेस पिछली बार की तरह इस बार भी अधिक सीटों की उम्मीद कर रही है, लेकिन डीएमके 30 से ज्यादा सीटें देने को तैयार नहीं है। सूत्रों ने यह भी बताया है कि गठबंधन के दोनों सहयोगी सीट बंटवारे को लेकर इस हफ्ते मिल सकते हैं। मुगिलन हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर। मुगिलन, वी आर शोइंग दोज लाइव विजुअल्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम Kanyakumari right now. Rahul Gandhi holding a road show, but one thing that needs to be highlighted that he is yet to speak on DMK alliance, one very important factor when it comes to seat sharing.
Definitely today Rahul Gandhi is in Kanyakumari. This is third day of his second visit to Tamil Nadu. On the first visit there was another 3-day tour. We saw Rahul Gandhi campaigning in the western part of the state, and this time he is campaigning in Tamil Nadu for another 3 days, and he is in down south. He is touring in the southern districts and speaking and interacting with people. But so far in last 6 days, that is in the last 6 visits to various parts of the state, so far we have not seen Rahul Gandhi taking up DMK's name anywhere or campaigning for DMK in any part of the state. And this comes at the time when the seat negotiation talks between the Congress and DMK has not been finalized yet. Last week, we saw the senior Congress leader going to DMK party office and submitting a letter about the number of seats, what they are willing to contest and what they are expecting from DMK. But then there was not a positive response that was given by the DMK, is what we are being said. And this time DMK is planning to contest at least in 170 plus seats. So the DMK is also in a position of not offering the greater numbers or the bigger number of seats to the alliance partners like what they did last time. But now Congress is expecting at least the number of seats what they got last time, but DMK is still playing hardball. They don't want to give the number of seats what they offered to Congress last time, because DMK this time feels as there is a very strong anti-incumbency. They have a possibility of winning maximum number of seats and form the governments on its own with absolute majority. And that is the reason why DMK is not willing to give more number of seats to any of its alliance partners. And more importantly, DMK is considering the in the state and all over the country also. And that is why now we are seeing Rahul Gandhi making extended tours here in the state of Tamil Nadu, and we are seeing the kind of response and reach what he is getting in the state of Tamil Nadu. So Congress is trying to prove that that unlike in North India, in South Congress have wider acceptance, and their demand of expecting more seats is completely justified. And they also expect DMK to give the number of seats what they contested in last assembly elections, that is at least 40 seats. But we have to wait and watch. What we are being told from people in Congress is that after Rahul Gandhi leaving to Delhi, that is today, after his 3-day visit coming to an end, maybe by tomorrow or in a day or two, Congress leaders will once again come to the DMK party office for the second round of talks, is what we are being told. So at the end of the second round, definitely we can expect DMK to finalize the number of seats what they will be offering to Congress for the upcoming assembly elections.
Right. बिल्कुल, बीजेपी, एआईएडीएमके और डीएमके और कांग्रेस दोनों ही अलायंसेस के बीच में सीट का बंटवारा एक बड़ा मुद्दा बन के उभर रहा है। लगातार हम नजर बनाए हुए हैं तो तमिलनाडु में जितने भी चुनावी अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं उन पर आपको लगातार ये सारे अपडेट्स हम देते रहेंगे, मगर फिलहाल एक छोटी सी ब्रेक का वक्त है।